Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Minnie Favor Bags is probably one of the most adorable and essential elements for any Minnie Mouse-themed party. These bags are not just containers, they're an extension of the party's theme, adding a touch of magic and excitement for every guest. From their iconic polka dots to the charming Minnie Mouse silhouette, these bags promise to delight children and create lasting memories. Let's dive into what makes these Favor Bags a must-have for your next celebration. Number 5. GKTZ Kids Sunglasses, Party Favors for ages 3 to 8. These sunglasses are designed specifically for children aged 3 to 8. The size is just right, ensuring a comfortable fit that won't easily slip off. They are perfect for most kids' face shapes. Available in 8 bright neon colors, these sunglasses are stylish and fun. They are perfect for any party or outdoor event, making the kids stand out in the crowd. These sunglasses provide UV 400 eye protection, eliminating glare and reducing eye fatigue. They allow kids to maintain a clear view and enjoy natural colors, ideal for summer fun. Made from comfortable and sturdy polypropylene, these sunglasses are durable and lightweight. They won't weigh down the kids' faces, allowing them to move freely while protecting their eyes. These sunglasses make excellent goodie bag stuffers or party favors. Kids can wear them at parties or use them daily, adding fun to any celebration or summer event. They are a great gift option. What we like? These sunglasses offer UV 400 protection, shielding young eyes from the sun's harmful rays. Available in a variety of vibrant colors, they are perfect for any outdoor event. If you are planning a pool party or a day at the beach, these sunglasses will keep your kids looking stylish and protected. What people say? The bags are very cute and the perfect size for party favors. They are sturdy and held up well with the goodies inside. The colors are vibrant and the design is adorable. Number 4. Minnie Mouse Forever DIY Party Favor Bags. Unleash your child's creativity with these DIY party bags. They are perfect for adding a personalized touch to any kid's event or occasion. Showcase your love for Minnie Mouse with these adorable pink paper favor bags. Featuring her charming signature style, it's guaranteed to be a hit at any Disney-themed gathering. These generously sized pink paper bags come in a convenient 8-pack. You'll have plenty of bags for all your little guests to take home goodies and create lasting memories. Whether celebrating a birthday or hosting a Minnie Mouse-themed party, these versatile favor bags are ideal. They add a delightful and memorable touch to your child's special day. Made from premium quality pink paper, these bags are sturdy and durable. Your little guests can carry their gathered treasures safely and with ease. What we like? These bags are designed for DIY fun, allowing you to personalize them for any occasion. Featuring a classic Minnie Mouse design, they are perfect for a themed party. If you are looking for a way to add a special touch to your child's birthday, these bags are the perfect choice for creating lasting memories. What people say? These bags are cute, durable, and can double as decor for the treat table. Minnie Mouse gift party bags are really cute and they are a great size. The quality is fantastic, and they were an absolute hit with everyone, even the boys loved them. Number 3. 20 PCS Mouse Ears Headbands for Party. These mouse ear headbands are built to last. The ears and bow are firmly attached to the headband, ensuring they can withstand lots of fun and play. The velvet fabric adds to its durability and wearability. Made from a soft, felt-like fabric, these headbands are comfortable for extended wear. The mouse ears feature a cute red dotted bow, adding to their charm. The manufacturing process ensures a clean and neat surface. These headbands are designed to fit both adults and toddlers. Whether you're young or young at heart, they're the perfect accessory. It's a fun and versatile choice for everyone. The set includes 20 mouse ear headbands in 2 styles. There are 10 black ears without bows, perfect for boys, and 10 pink ears with pink bows, ideal for girls. This variety ensures there's something for everyone. These mouse ear headbands are a must-have for any mouse-themed party. They're guaranteed to amuse both kids and adults. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves to celebrate. What we like? These mouse ear headbands are made with a durable headband and comfortable fabric, ensuring a great fit for both adults and children. With a classic design, they are perfect for themed parties. If you like to dress up or attend costume parties, these headbands will add a touch of fun to any outfit. What people say. These bags are adorable and perfect for a Minnie Mouse party. The bags are a great size and held a lot of goodies. The colors are vibrant and the design is exactly as pictured. Number 2. Mickey Minnie Party Favor Bags. These Party Favor bags come in a set of 24, featuring 4 unique designs. You'll also receive stickers to add a special touch. It's perfect for sharing with friends and family. The bags feature a unique design with classic Mickey and Minnie themes. The vibrant colors and cartoon characters create a fun atmosphere. Kids will adore these bags. Made from high-quality craft paper, these bags are durable and safe. Each bag measures 5.7 by 3.2 by 9 inches, ideal for small toys and treats. They can be stored for the next use. These bags are perfect for any themed party. The vivid colors and popular characters will be a hit with everyone. They add fun and make the party more lively. These goodie bags are great for birthdays, baby showers, and holidays. They're also perfect for everyday use after the party. If you have any questions, customer service is available 24 hours a day. What we like. These Party Favor bags come in a sufficient quantity, with a cute cartoon character design. Made from premium quality craft paper, they are durable and perfect for holding treats. If you are hosting a Minnie or Mickey Mouse-themed party, these bags will be a hit with all the kids. What people say. I was so glad that the bags were made of great material and not cheap paper. The image quality is also 10/10. I was able to fill the bags easily with all of my son's favorite snacks. Number 1. Disney Minnie Mouse Play Packs, 10-pack. Looking for the perfect party favors? These Minnie Mouse Play Packs are ideal. Each pack is filled with fun activities. These packs are officially licensed Disney products, so you know you're getting quality. They feature everyone's favorite character, Minnie Mouse. These are great for goodie bags. They are pre-filled with fun items, making them super convenient for parties. Each pack includes a coloring book, 2 mini crayons, and a sticker. It's a great way to keep kids entertained. You get a 10-pack, so there are plenty to go around. It's a great value for a fun party favor. What we like. These play packs include a coloring book, crayons, and stickers, providing everything needed for creative fun. Officially licensed, they feature authentic designs. If you are looking for a convenient and fun party favor, these packs will keep kids entertained. What people say. They are very cute and the perfect size for party favors. The bags are adorable and held a good amount of goodies. These bags are perfect for a Minnie Mouse-themed party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.